Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. So yeah, previous videos we have seen how to deploy a single page application, like a single page portfolio which you have created only using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So by using cursor, we have given a simple prompt and cursor have built everything for us without writing a single line of code. So yeah, we have making that website live by using GitHub pages, and also we have done like a React app. We have created a portfolio with React app by using create React app, and then we have deployed using GitHub pages, and now our website is live with that portfolio like URL. This URL will be your GitHub username and then .github.io, and your repo name will be the landing page for your website. So already we have done with the DevOps CI/CD pipelines deploying React.js, and then Node.js, and then Docker deployment by using CI/CD pipeline, and how to use cursor MCP with rules. So we have done so many videos so far related to GitHub and DevOps and cursor kind of thing. Subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this, and that will help you. And also click the bell icon so that will help you to get notified each time when we upload a new video. Stay tuned to our channel for many more videos like this. So now in this video, what we'll be going to do is we will be doing like deploying same React app with to GitHub pages, but the thing is we are doing that with a white, so not with a create React app. So some people might be using the white kind of thing for creating React application. So the deploying process to GitHub pages is little bit different, so I want to make video on this too. So yeah, for this what will be I will be doing is I'm not writing any line of code, so I entirely completely a vibe coding. So I have given this prompt to my cursor, and that has created my application. So if you want this prompt, just take a screenshot by pausing this video. The simple prompt: create a new, complete, modern, professional, and fully responsive portfolio project for software engineer. So using React plus White, this thing you have to mention in a highlighted one. And the requirements is normal how a portfolio will be looking like a hero session will be there, and all these sessions will be there. Scrolling will be smooth, and color theme will be with light color and accent color, and topography what your requirement you can add. Not only these requirements, you can customize these requirements, and you can add like not only dummy data, you can add your own data. Like you can personalize it in any way like your wish. So folder structure will be like package.json SRE, and white config should be there. Like npm run dev will be the scripts. His scripts also you can mention whatever you want, and navigation bars for these kind of thing. So hover effects and animations and smooth scrolling, everything whatever you want you can mention. So cursor will do it for you. No need of writing any code or checking any kind of code. So I have given this to my cursor, and has created me some projects. Like it has to do's first of all. So create app and implement main layout and styling that, and wiring up with the dummy data, and adding the scripts and placeholders for this path, and everything it has done for me. So yeah, after this it has given me the commands to run that. So everything is fine till now. So now I will open that in the new folder, so that will help you to run and see it in the local host. So yeah, now we have everything here, right? Package.js and white portfolio is there, white build is done. So everything has done, dependencies is React. Yeah, so yeah, if you see, we will having like white.config.js extra in here, and then we will be having like app.js kind of thing. And then styles is separate, styles section like global CSS will be there. So yeah, all these are like white application or React applications to. So I will show you how this turned out in a website. So just me run it in a local. So one thing which we have to do here is npm install kind of thing we have to do. So I have already installed node modules. For your wish, I will again do it here. So npm install is done. So after install, what we have to do is we have to like npm run dev. If you see the scripts, we are starting with that. So if you see the scripts, like dev is the white kind of thing. So you can see your host, your local host is available in this port, because it's white prefer that. So if you open here, it will has open. So otherwise you can also open that in the like your local host. Sorry, it's have been stopped. Let me run it again. Yeah, now it's live in local host. If you see, um sorry, haven't copied that. Localhost 5179. Okay. Sorry. Let me take that then. Localhost 5713, right? Let me check again. Yeah, 5173. 5173. Sorry. 5173 is my kind of thing, but here we have like base configuration like portfolio. It's running or is stopped here. I can copy from here actually. It's not HTTPS, it's HTTP. So yeah, now our like the React app with white is now ready in your local host, but we can't share this link to your interviewer or any your friend or any kind of thing. So you can make this website into live by using GitHub pages. I will show you how we can do that. So for that, what we have to do is the one thing which we if you go to this application and just hit on I'm just stopping this, and I want to install GitHub pages first step, because GitHub GH pages is the one of the node modules, like a package of node.js that will help you to deploy your build to GitHub pages, which is a branch in GitHub. So we have to install that in your application. So now it's installed. So post installation, we can deploy this automatically to your build. So for that, next two things what we have to do is we have to go to package.json. Here in the build scripts, what we have to add is we have to add pre-deploy and deploy scripts here. So if you see pre-deploy and deploy thing is there. Yeah, before build, after build we can give this actually. Yeah, preview we are not going to use anymore, so let it be. So yeah, pre-deploy is we have to build this application, and deploy we have to make this in the available in the dist folder. But when you see with the React create app, it will be like build folder only. Now it is in the dist folder. That is the difference, one thing. And extra thing is in white.config.js also, here we have to add like base kind of thing. Here we have to give like a what will be the base URL, like that. So I want to make it as a white portfolio, because that will be my repo name, right? So repo name we have to mention here base, like define config. Here we have to give like base white portfolio, this one thing. And in package.json, this deploy kind of thing, we have to do these two things. And one other more thing is we have to install GitHub pages to make it compatible, so that it will build your application and move to that GH branches into the dist folder. Okay, so after all these things, what we have to do is we have to move it to the Git. Before moving it to the Git, I want to make like I want to create a one file. I don't want like node modules to be in my Git, because it will take time, and so your repo will not look like cleaner. So I have added node modules in this, and I want to deploy. So for deploying it in the GitHub, what we have to do is we can do that with commands like git init and everything. I will just use this interface IDE and git I have installed here. So initialize the repo. So if you initialize it, your GitHub changes will also all track it. So now make it like staging is nothing kind of thing is like git add all files. So now git commit with a message will be there. So that is I'm giving like an initial commit. Just click on enter. So now it's publish, like it's committed in your local repository. Now you have to publish to your Git. So for that you have to click on publish branch. It will ask you like public or private. For now I am making it as a private repository. So now if we go to, it's now published to open on GitHub. So it's now your repository is ready. One main branch is there, and your project is private. So instead of creating it private, you can directly make it public repository at its creation. Otherwise, you can go to settings and drop down danger zone, change visibility to public to private to public. So because why we are doing this is, if you are publishing to GitHub pages, you are actually doing to available publicly, so that your repo should also be available publicly. Otherwise you will not able to publish your kind of thing. Here see, it's everything is like GitHub pages. If you go to settings here, in the in the side bar, you will have pages. If you go to that, you will having this like deploying from a branch, and here none of the branch is selected. So now what we will be doing is, so now it's published, right? So your scripts are ready, so you can directly deploy from your like cursor itself, like IDE itself. You can just give the script like that. So I'll give like npm run deploy, so that will build your application and deploy to dist folder, and that production is ready. So you see pre-deploy process will be done. Here you can see dist folders. So if you see react create app, you will be getting build folder project. So now it's published to gh pages branch. So if you go to GitHub, uh, you will be able to see that branch there. See, main branch is the two branches. The one is GHPS. If you go to now, if you can see also see in code, we don't have like node modules because we have git ignored that. So now if you go to settings and then pages, so you have deployed. No need to have like you can see here deploy branch is there, GH pages is there. So it's deployed. So yeah, if you go to actions here, you can see it's not yet completed because URL having generated in the pages branch. Once it's completed, so it will be giving you the URL. You can see in pages you will be having this URL. You can open this file or unpublish that, so you can just click on this. So see, white portfolio is now created. This is a live project. You can share this link to anyone. So that will be they can able to access this website. So this is how we can host your React apps using CRA or White. You can easily publish your live within minutes, and you can share this to anyone. So that's all for this. I hope this video is very clear to you. So in the previous videos we have learned like single page application like HTML CSS, and then React with the create React app, and then now React app with White. So previously it is in the local host, and now it is available in the publicly with using GitHub pages we have hosted. And that's all for this video. I hope you haven't have any doubts. If you have any doubts regarding this, or you are in stuck up doing any videos, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely happy to reply your comments and solve your problems. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this. And we have uploaded so many videos regarding so many courses like HTML CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and everything. We have done so many videos. Just check out my channel. If you like my channel and videos, subscribe and be a long time subscriber. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.